40 years ago, in early computers, valves and vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors, which are smaller, faster and more powerful. In turn, multiple transistors have become semiconductor chips, which required even more vacuum in their production. Semiconductor manufacturing is now the world's biggest business, with chips used in PCs, mobile phones, cameras, cars and televisions. The list is almost endless. As electronic processes have become smaller and smaller, the purity of the atmosphere in which they're made has become even more important. Even one atom of the wrong material in the wrong place can change the flow of electrons in a semiconductor chip and render it useless. Vacuum is crucial to that process, and making equipment used in the fabrication of semiconductors is now the largest part of our business. Edwards today is the second largest subsystems equipment supplier to the semiconductor industry globally, supplying vacuum and abatement equipment to all 10 of the world's biggest and best known semiconductor manufacturers, and with a presence at every major semiconductor fab in the world. Our systems are designed to meet the vacuum requirements of a complete range of processes and include dry pumps, high-speed turbomolecular pumps, as well as a variety of pump combinations. Many of our products are custom designed and supplied for specific processes such as etch deposition and wafer handling, and for all load lock applications, perhaps better known generally as airlocks. Other products are designed to be part of complete pumping systems, whilst others again can be combined to be able to be used for other technology platforms.
And Edwards continues to innovate, with the current drive to reduce the cost of ownership, reduce environmental emissions and extend product lifetimes. For example, we've introduced a single shaft machine with the advantages of low vibration and being super clean. It's therefore able to be used inside the manufacturer's clean room, and this means that bigger pumps, previously located in the basement of the fab, can now be replaced by these smaller pumps located closer to the tool, and this gives major cost savings for the customer. We're also shortly to introduce a new product which is extremely small and consequently has substantially reduced power usage. We've halved all the dimensions of its predecessor, so it's only a quarter of the size, no bigger than something like a microwave oven, and it uses only 600 watts. We've particularly concentrated on all our products being more energy efficient and having a low utilities footprint. We're introducing similar technologies to car manufacturers' efficient dynamic programs, with, for example, pumps able to switch into standby mode when the process tool goes into idle.
Edwards also specialise in equipment designed to abate toxic gases produced from the vacuum pumping processes and handle the complete exhaust management process. These are tailored for different applications and include instrumentation and the interface with process tools. Our Zenith pumping and abatement system, like this one on laboratory test, is specifically designed for use in subfabs and offers improved safety, reduced operational footprint and simplified installation and service. Currently, there are several moves within the semiconductor industry in a bid to further reduce emissions, and many producers are concerned about the levels of their gas emissions. Etching, for example, has moved up the agenda considerably. We needed an etch solution that could be used anywhere in the world and therefore not just dependent on fuel gas. The answer was an electric system, so we developed a new plasma technology with an electric and highly energized flame sufficient to completely destroy the toxic gases. Both vacuum and abatement systems need to work together through an effective communications control network. Edwards provide a network communication product which continuously monitors the complete vacuum and exhaust gas systems and analyses their performance. This enables the further reduction of power and other utility costs, and we're driving towards much more accurate failure prediction to enable preventative action to be taken. Some years ago, experts predicted that the future use of vacuum in electronics manufacture would decline. In semiconductor manufacturing today, it's now the reverse, and we're responding to many different drivers which will mean the global use and application of vacuum will actually significantly increase in the future.